My guys just came out of Plaza 2 or Plaza Mar 2 shopping centre, so I'm just trying to show you a bit of this side of the city. It's a big enough shopping centre there as well. It's got a load of different brands and makes and stuff in there. Zara, Berkshire, Pull&Bear, the usual, River Island, places to eat, all that stuff. You know, the usual. And now I am crossing the road. Coming down here to show you some more of the street art, and then I'm gonna make my way back down to the beach again and then back to the Airbnb, and that'll be my quota of vlogs done for the day, pretty much. Actually, I love the thing about Spain, these trees, the ones with the purple, they're really nice. There. Okay, so more street art. It's one thing I love about traveling, just hit different parts of the city, you know. Usually it's kind of like hit the normal routine kind of stuff, but I like to go outside of it and actually, you know, go outside the center and explore around the place. So that's what I like to do. It's what I've always liked, really, from a very young age. Even when I was traveling with my family when I was younger, I used to go off and get lost, which sometimes didn't turn out very well, but I guess that is the guy who did it, or maybe not. Not sure. So yeah, that thing about getting lost I used to do quite a bit. We went on holidays to France one time, and I remember my parents were down one end of the shop and I was down the other, and then I just went out and went roaming and got lost for like 4 hours, and ended up going back by the police to the campsite that we were staying at. So that was an interesting one. kind of roaming through the neighborhoods now. Gym. For anyone who wants to hit the weights. And I like tourist spots as well, you know. Tourist spots are nice, but it's always nice to get outside of that and see the local, you know, I guess, what am I trying to say? I guess it's nice to see all parts really, not just the main, you know, touristy spots like. Kind of touring around the neighborhoods. Don't really know where I am, but I know that I'm heading back towards the center. Nice square to sit down at. Hospital on the left. Like I was saying before about the different ways up to the castle, there's another way down. I'll show you. Basically, if you cross this street and you continue over across to the next part, then you head up towards the castle that way as well, which brings you up there, up there. So that's just another one of the many ways up to the castle. Castillo de Santa Barbara. That's the name of it. Evangelical Christian Church. city centre of Alicante. About it for this one, guys.